Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session for deleting the exam structure or exam rules already defined for a class or session. After you have deleted exam rules, you will not be able to get the data back. Therefore, be very careful before proceeding with this activity. Click on button MSTAR and select Module Examination. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you are now working in the examination module. After this, click on the button Business Rules and select the screen Exam Rules. After the screen opens, select the academic year and click on the View button to view the list of all the examinations for each session and class section defined already. Click on the box above the session and select the session. Click on the box above the class section and select the class section for which the examination deletion needs to be done. It will filter the list of examinations for the class section. Click on the row of the exam which needs to be deleted and the details of the exam appear in the main screen. To delete the exam, first ensure that exam result has not been entered against any subject in any class section. Once the same is ensured, click on the delete button and a small box showing 3 options will appear. Let us review these 3 options. These are the 3 deletion options which are available for deletion of exam rules. The first option is delete exam rules and exam name for the selected exam and all classes for the selected session. This option will delete the exam rules for all the classes and class sections of the selected session for the selected exam. That means if we have selected the exam HYEX in the background and if we select this option, then it will delete the exam rules of the exam HYEX in all the classes and sections of session middle. So if in middle the 3 classes 6th, 7th and 8th appears, then the HYEX exam will get deleted for all the 3 classes. The next option, delete exam rules for selected exam and class. This option will delete the exam rules of the selected exam only for all the class sections of the selected class. That means it will not touch class 7th and 8th in the example that we are talking about. So it will delete the exam rules of HYEX in 6A, B, C, D and all the sections of 6th, but it will not delete the exam rules for 7th and 8th or any other class within the session. The last option, delete exam rules for selected exam, class and section. This option will delete the exam rules of the selected exam for the selected class section only. So in this case, if we opt for this option, it will only delete the exam rules of HYEX for 6th A, for 6th B, C, D or any other class section or any other class of the session will not be affected. So let us select one of the options and check the deletion functionality. To select an option, click on the circle against the required text and click on the OK button. So in this case, we are deleting the exam rules and even the examination name for the selected exam, which is HYEX, for all the classes of the session. Before opting for this option, let us see which all classes has this exam so that we can recheck the deletion. Click on the cancel to cancel our option. So let us check other sections and classes for which this exam has been defined. Click on button view and select the session and all class sections to see for which classes this exam is created. Here in the list we see that HYEX exam has been created for 6th A, 6th B, 6th C, 6th D, 7th A, 7th B. In fact, all the sections of 7th and all the sections of 8th also. Click on any one of them and you will see that the exam rules have been created. So click on the clear button and reselect the exam. So now that we are displaying the exam HYEX middle, we are going to click on the delete button. We are selecting the first option as delete exam rules and exam name for the selected exam and all classes. So in this case, the HYEX exam rules will get deleted for all the class sections of 6th, 7th and 8th for which it is defined currently. Click on the circle button against the option and click on OK button. Before you do this, we would also like to point out that please ensure that the correct exam is selected in the background because that will be the examination which will be selected for deletion as per the options selected. After you have ensured these steps, click OK on the option selected and a warning message will be shown that the exam rules and exam name once deleted cannot be retrieved back. Are you sure you want to delete the exam rules and exam name for the selected exam for all the class and sections of the selected session? Click on yes if you are confirmed and the screen gets cleared. Now let us go back and check whether the exam has been deleted. Click on the academic year, select the session, click on the view button, select session and all class sections. In this list, now you will see the HYEX exam is not appearing for any of the class sections of 6th, 7th and 8th for which it was appearing earlier. This means that the exam rules and the exam name both have been deleted from the respective class sections. Similarly, you can proceed for deletion of other options as per the options available for deletion of exam rules. We repeat that before doing this activity, make sure that there is no result entry and also make sure that the exam rules of the correct examination are selected in the screen for deletion because once deletion is done, the data cannot be retrieved. Thank you for watching this video.